Hello, welcome back. We are now doing the welding. You see that? Under there. Where's my scissors there? Everything's backwards on this. Doing it there. So we're gonna do a bit of cardboard egg design with this. Cut that shape out and then cut it out the steel.
Attention, read this first.
Read that first. Keep that arrow facing towards you because it's dangerous otherwise. So we'll just stick it on there, we'll cut it out to the shape we need and we'll carry on. There is our CAD, cardboard aided design, and that is the drawing there we're going to cut out. So we've cut out and cleaned up all that section there, ready to weld to. So we'll get that going. There it is in position, so we'll weld that on. We're going to fold the bottom round and weld it at the top, fold the bottom round and weld that, and then we've got some nice clean steel to weld the bottom piece to. So we'll get on with that. Right, as you can see, the welding's coming on there, all around the top, down the edge. We folded the bottom under, just folded it around there. We'll weld under there, and that will give us something nice and clean to weld to. We're going to heat this up for the tow bar mount, and we're going to bend it in a little bit and then weld round it. So that's the next job. So we're just finishing up the welding here. It's been stitched welded along there because you can't do a seam weld on this stuff because you don't want to blow holes in it. So we're going to do some welding. Go!
Move along in different places.
You just got to disperse the heat.
So otherwise it'll get too hot and just blow holes in it.
Once this is all welded, we'll paint it up with some stone chip, and then the back end's done. Finish this chassis leg on the rear. All welded up. It's all solid now, both sides. I'm gonna sort these bits out there and there, and then there's the welding to do on the front and the side of the chassis, and then a few bits and bobs to do with the airbag and stuff and the wheel bearing, and it can we'll get the cosmetics done and then it can go in for an MOT. So stick with us, like and subscribe. There'll be more videos on this. As you can see, we've started to fill the door because we cannot find one anywhere, so we filled that. This will be next week. That one there, we'll get these wheels off and refurb them as well. So more to come.